Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can use the Paint format in Google Sheets. So let's go quick into the process. So open your Google Sheets and I have prepared an example for you. So the Paint format that will let you automatically copy the format of a cell into the another cell or column or row. So let's say for example, I'm going to copy the color or the format of this cell into this one. So you just need to click on the cell that you're going to copy, the format, and then you'll find this option, Paint format. Click on that and then click on the cell that you want it to be copied. And that's it. And if you also want to make this like that, then just simply click on it and then click on Paint format. Oh, you have to select it first. Okay? You have to select it first. So we need to select this and then click on this one. Okay? And then we have to select this one. And that's it. Okay, so here we just need to select this one. Click on Paint format and then we have to copy this or select this cells, and that's it. That's how you can easily use the Paint format in your Google Sheets. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.